We're back. Let's go. Welcome back, guys. What a monster C4 has been today. Spy all-time highs tomorrow? Probably. I mean, at this rate, honestly, probably. We'll be used to break the wall on C4. You don't believe in that thing having support, Musty. It's been crushing it all day. Crush. Crush, crush, crush. What a beauty. My goodness, Spy. Dang. Look at that. Look at that daily chart for the S&P. That thing said resistance. Where? We can do better? Yeah, do better. That's a nice run. Typical bull market. All-time high for the S&P is 47917-ish. 479. Let's call it 479. 479. It's not that far away, is it? I bet you we get there before the elections next year. I say next year we get there tomorrow with Powell saying, "Oh, we're gonna cut rates. We're cutting rates." Blah blah blah. I posted in Discord the puts of the losers. Puts really offers the losers. Smooth. I posted a little thing for the market expectation for tomorrow. Okay, so most of the banks are expecting a no rate hike, right? Like CIBC and Bank of America and Goldman Sachs and JP Morgan and Morgan Stanley and Scotiabank, Wells Fargo, TD, Visa, UBS. These guys are all expecting no rate hikes. And then, yeah, and then you have like one bank that's expecting a rate hike. Comments too good to be skipped. Let me go back. Let me go back. Yo, 10, like number 10. Did I miss that? I missed it. Like number 10. Maybe I am the goats. Let's go. Come on, lion. Come on, lion. You slacker. Come on. How are you? How are you? No, yeah, C4's done really well. I ain't living. Let's leaving. Let's go. Lion? Good. Good, good, good. Good, good, good. Useless goat, Iron. He is a useless goat. Let's go. Yeah, no, C4 has been stalling at 270, so. But that's a nice run. I don't think anything else really has been spammed in Discord today by the scanner other than C4. So the scanner knew something was coming. Question for you guys in the chat though. If someone asked you when you thought the markets would hit all time highs, well, what would you say? End of the year, before elections, the next 2 months? M, can I take a look at AVGO for resistance? Sure. Jameson, the other one's done well too. LMDX. AVGO. You bought this thing? M, you bought this thing? This stock is $1,000. You bought it? Oh my goodness. You know what's wild is look at this stock a year ago. Well, I mean, go back to 2020. When COVID hit, this thing was $150. $150 to $1,000. My goodness. We are descending now. You're saying I'm saying all-time highs for months? Yes. Yes, Musty. When though? You have you have calls? Is what you're saying? I mean, that thing is at all-time highs, Em. Like, I don't see any resistance other than you just feeling like you might need to sell and run away soon. Might give that'll be that. Exactly. If Powell says the wrong thing tomorrow, the market is gonna fall so quickly. -2% tomorrow. Went spike to zero. You know, maybe it's a sign now that we're talking about the market going to all-time highs. Maybe that's a sign. AOD, it's a sign that we go back to the abyss. But yeah, no, M, honestly, if you're holding calls, depending when they expire, if they expire tomorrow or if they expire on Friday, you might want to start thinking of, when to pack your bags. Everybody feels so positive, Cut rates, cut rate, cut rates, cut rates, cut rates. She said Friday. Okay, I would start thinking about like locking in profits. Yeah, 1090. You're so close, aren't you? How green are you on those calls? Like, are you up 100%, 1,000%? How green? Uh, oh, like I tell you this every single day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Every day I tell you the same thing. It does not matter. Naked shorting, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Lion, I'm telling you, do better, Lion. Come on. It doesn't matter, Oleg, right? You can say a stock is being shorted, it's this, it's that, it doesn't matter, right? The shorts no care. Look at that. That stock has been crashing every single day, right? So from $13, $14 to 66 cents. It does not matter, right? It's down another 40% today. 40% today. 40% today for WeBuy. Minus. It doesn't matter what you think about the shorts. The shorts don't give a damn. The shorts take stock to 99. Actually, let's add a zero. 0.099 cents. So the shorts no care, So don't buy a stock without a stop loss thinking like, oh my goodness, it's gone down too much. The shorts will enter the stock onto the abyss. Right? So for now, I mean, you have a bit of support at 65 cents. It's all-time lows. All-time lows. So hopefully it stays above 66 cents. I'd be surprised if you can short this. Yeah, most likely can't. Market makers can though, right? These criminals can. These criminals can yeah. Usually retail doesn't short IPOs. It's someone else that takes it from $10 to zero. Anyways, back to C4. C4 has been explosive today. My goodness, look at that thing. What a beautiful stock. Yeah. So M is up 112% on the 1090 calls. It's tough, isn't it? It's tough. It's tough because it looks good. Like, it looks really good. Like it looks really, really good, right? So, but it's also all-time highs, right? All-time highs. You were very close to the monies, actually. Right? To 100% on those calls. I would maybe like if you're holding a bunch, I would maybe take some out off the table and then decide for the rest depending on how it opens tomorrow or before the Fed meeting in case just in case something bad happens, right? So I would be thinking of like locking in some profits though. It's had two really good days, two massive green days, which is amazing. Um, yeah, if you have a whole bunch, I would start thinking of like scaling out. Not to trade though. It's boring in options now. Yep. um, oh my goodness. I'll visit from time to time. You know, Dan doesn't even say like, you know what, I'm sorry, you know, I'm gonna try and come back more. He's gone. Dude is gone. He left the building. He left the car. He left the building keys inside. He locked the door shut. He's like, you know what? I'll show from time to time. And then, oh my goodness. uh, na, na, na. He's gone. Like, sorry, sorry. Oh my goodness, that's pretty funny. I will sell one and keep the other for tomorrow. I think that's the best thing to do. Sell one, keep one. I left and took all the furniture with me. He left with the intention of never coming back. There's your new best friend. Oh my goodness. There's half a dollar company? Yeah, it is. It is. It is. Wes. CADL is creeping up again off $1.10, so that's not too bad. It looks like we're just stalled here for now for C4 at $2.40. So let's see what happens going into the close. I think we have 40 minutes left. I'm staying in the woods. Now this makes sense. Why virus is in the woods. This makes a lot of sense. La 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 la. It would be nice to get some chaos into the close, wouldn't it? Musty, you still haven't sold view? That 250 is a solid wall. My goodness. Every time we get to 250, it fails. And then this red zone gets redder and redder and redder. Every time we fail, it changes the color. It adds a new layer of red. It's like, yup, this is not your friend. Look at the first time we hit that level. Light reds. And then thicker and thicker. Now it's you can barely see the candles. That's how strong that resistance is. Just me indicators. La, la. Wait for it. 250 breakout. Yeah, maybe. Hopefully. Hopefully. And then GDHG is another one that's shown some signs of like bouncing from the abyss. So hopefully it can break above $1.50 and stay above it. Hopefully. Anyways, oh yeah. La, 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 la. La, la, la. Other than that, let me take a look at. Uh, la, la, la. Interesting. Interesting. Yeah, there's really nothing else that we haven't talked about already. La 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 la. For view, Musty, it's trying. Just not enough volume though. La, la. What do you think of ADEX? The dip? Good opportunity? Let's take a look. ADEX. Why is it dipping though? Why is it down? I bet you they have a merger vote or something. Yeah, I would need to go look at why they're crashing like that. I bet you something is happening there. Merger votes. See, I don't see anything actually. I don't have it. So yeah, it's not an opportunity. This is earnings. You think? It's a SPAC though, so I'd be really careful with that. It's not one of those regular stocks you're looking at. It's a SPAC. So I think they've approved the merger vote. Maybe they're just waiting for the name change. Announcements resumed. Yeah, I don't see anything. Yeah, they have a merger vote in sometime in January, so I don't know why the stock is crashing now. Maybe that thing might recover then if it's crashing for no reason. But just be careful, please. It's a it's a bigger risk than you think. Anyways, back to C4. $2.60, 263. When breakout. When double the price of view, 264. Come on. Come on. What's ADTX? ADTX is the stock from this morning that did really well. Virus. ADTX. I think the list has been updated, but they had some news this morning, and then it popped. Anyways, back to C4. C4 is at 266, 267. Give us 270, damn it. 268. Come on. What a beauty. All day today. All day today. 2024 test. January, some point next year. Q1 of 2024. Oh, you're shopping it? Interesting. Just make sure they didn't do an offering on you, virus. Because it's coming. It's coming. It's coming. Look at those red zones. Red. Well, yes, you're right. And it's resistance at 270. But you still haven't sold view with look at the color of the red. This red is different. To the red you're seeing over here, isn't it? It's different. You're selling? Oh damn, that thing listened to Musty. Unbelievable. That thing said, wait, Musty said what? Oh my goodness, look at the size of that red candle. Oh my days. You know what? Does anybody have Musty's address? Now again, resistance. Should you be buying that stock at 270? You should not be buying it at resistance, right? You should not be buying at resistance. This is not the first time or the second time we failed at 270, is it? Nope, not the first or the second. So hopefully we can stay above 240 though, the 200. If we can stay above that, then that's okay. Musty wants that money to go over to the stock he's holding. View. They're both seeing red though, so both at the red zones. This is the distraction for View. Sure. Sure. Anyways, again, don't forget to smash a like for the second time today. Alrighty, guys. As we go into the close, we're just going to be looking at some names that could potentially do well into the after hours or maybe the next day. So let's see how these names close. Alrighty. I'd like to see GDHG push above $1.50 though. I think that would give us more hope for continuation after hours. LMDX again is a penny stock that had some momentum but stalled at 1350, so it's going to need to break above 1350. Also, don't mind that it's holding 1220 though, so don't mind. And then CADL not doing anything other than holding $1.10. La 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 la. You are I said hi. You said hi. Did you say hi to Musty? Musty wants you to leave him alone, So why tie me out so easily? Maybe Musty doesn't. Musty wants you to say hi to someone else. Musty says, say hi to someone else. Don't talk to me. So, I mean, if you keep, so maybe respect his privacy or something. Go talk to somebody else. Talk to Mohammed or something. Talk to Wes. Talk to Virus. No. Hey, Troy. Good afternoon. Is that a glass of an umbrella drink? Dan. You're in at 22 cents. Okay, I'll take a look DP. Isn't TRKA getting delisted or bankruptcy or something like that? Be careful. Leave me alone. Yeah. So let's not cause violence, please. Please and thank you. Champions League. Wait, Arsenal played today? They played today? Who scored? Nketiah? Of course. Jesus came on. Saka was on the bench. Martinelli was not on the bench. Saka was on the bench though, so that's good. Yeah. Wes, yeah, these names are just, Honestly, when I play with the bankruptcy name, I want it to rally like into the close or after hours. If it's not, then I don't trust it. Right? If it's not exploding after hours, I don't trust it. I don't trust it. View is slowly creeping up, Musty. Slowly creeping up. No, I haven't seen that. Let's see. That's still pretty funny. I will visit from time to time. My goodness. So Ketya scored. There's no. Is okay. Let me see. He'll be back. I think on Thursday. This is an interesting turn of events. He'll be back on Thursday. This just seems like such a stupid, like dramatic, you know. Uh, so first penny Nasdaq stocks with bets. I bets once they go below 10 cents. Honestly, Wes, I just stay away. I stay away, please. Ooh, maybe Musty, you might finally get a breakout here. I like the patience. Where are your stupid red zones? It's still right there, Musty. It's right there. It's right there. It's still at resistance. What do you mean? Did you take a name? A name on your break? I did not. I did not. I did not. Champions League. Cool. And then tomorrow is Newcastle. Wait for it, give. Yes. Oh, did I take a nap? Oh no, I did not take a nap. No. Yeah, I did a one-on-one, and then I got a snack. A snack, and then time was over. I think he means nap. I was like, what name am I taking? Uh, hmm. He'll be back Thursday, I think. Thursday when? Like Thursday next week or Thursday tomorrow? Thursday. But the entire family sold him though, so I see. I don't believe that. Hmm. I will return to Man City on Thursday with an assessment on his fitness ahead of weekend. Yeah, maybe I should just make different changes then. If Harlan is gonna be back, then I'm gonna sell Alvarez. Alvarez. Yep. Do another press conference on Friday. Yeah. So yeah, that will be all that matters actually. Friday. Musty, no, it looks good. It looks good. Good job. The red zone is gone skis finally because it closed above, right? So, mm, yep. I could save myself a transfer and just get rid of Alvarez. You know, I think that's what I would do. Just get rid. We'll see. We wait till Friday. But then the deadline is also on Friday at 11:30. Sheesh, early. Well, at least at that time I will have. Anyways, how does that $30 when you sign up on TradingView, Tariq? How does $30? What do you mean, Tariq? Like, what does it get you? Like, you're asking what benefits you might have if you sign up for that level? Is that a video of you, Virus? That's you? You did that? Dang. Well, I should send you a video of my outsides, so you could see the snow everywhere. Everywhere, Virus. It's ice. Oh, you get a discount. Like you get something like accredited to your account or something like that. Tariq, I would click the link and try signing up and see what it offers you. I don't know if the promotion has changed or anything like that. I've always just had that on there, so I would click the link and see if they give you a discount, if your first month is free or something like that, or if they say something else. Just click on it and see what it offers you. Is what I know. When you yeah, no, in description. Oh, yeah, okay, yeah. So I would click. Thank you, Musty. I would click on the link and see what it offers you. Just because I've had that in there for so long. If anyone's used the link though and you received like a discount, let me know. Yeah, because I think that's just what I like copied from them, right? So that's what they say. So I'm not sure exactly how they offer you that though. So just click on it and see what it says. Na, na, na. Resistance for view. What a silly stock. What a silly stock. Are you holding that thing into the evening, Musty? Overnight? I don't know how view hasn't exploded yet, honestly, with the way that it's been holding and just the momentum it's had. I don't know how that thing hasn't like gone boom skis. I don't know why it's been taking so long, but what can you do? It's like that sometimes. It's like that. Uh, oh, yes. Perfect. Okay, yeah, sounds good, Busty. Sounds good. I wish something was giving us, some vibes into the close. I'm just looking. At some point, Peter, you want to buy some spy puts, some YOLO spy puts, Peter, for spy expiring soon, for when Powell comes on and crashes the market. Do you have a rule how big amounts you're betting on a stock? 10%. No, I don't think that rule is really. I mean, like to me, it's just if you have a big account, don't go all in. If you're playing with thousands of dollars, don't go all in. Some people don't have thousands of dollars to play in the market with, right? So, but I think there's a better way to manage that, right? If you're buying a stock because let's say I have $1,000 or I have $10,000, and I buy a stock that's at $1.05, right? Because it's been crashing from a dollar to from $2 to $1.05. I know the support at $1. Well, the way that I can potentially manage my 10% loss, or my 10% position or my 5%, is by setting a stop loss at whatever I'm willing to lose, right? So I think you can kind of go around the whole thing of like not going all in into a stock by having better stop losses. Can be very helpful. Yes. Yeah, I want to buy puts. Increase in price 1 year ago. It's crazy. I'm not. Does it do that? Tariq, it's because they've done a split. That's why. It's a scam. Don't worry. Uh, through the 200. Yeah, it's breaking below the 200. Yes. I like it, D. Good job. Wow. Very impressive. Tanda will buy your Nash. Peter, buy. Let's buy some what? See, I can't really see that on my end really clearly. Might need to go back to YouTube's to see it. Um, yes, Peter. Some puts? Okay. Yes. I'll put in 10%. Okay, so Peter put in 10%, I'll put in 10%, Virus will put in. Virus is second nature's put. So Virus has to put in 50%. That's just a disco ball. I'm like, I was looking, like, what the hell is that? Big Boomski? Oh, lordy. Sure, let me take a look. AFIIQ. I have an extra I in there. I'm strong. What a scam. What a scam, Musty. It's up, what is that, 15,000%? Trash. Mr. Poots virus. My stop loss rule is 10% or minus 20% from entry, I guess, is optimal. I think less than 10%, Oleg. I think less than 10%. If you're taking more than 10%, 10 to 20% of losses all the time, Oleg, you're playing with fire. I think your losses should be below 10%. If your losses are below 10%, 150,000%, that's silly. And then again, maybe your position sizing is not the best, or your entry is rubbish. And then you need to work on that. Set stop at either a technical level or what you're willing to lose, whichever one is less. Exactly, Troy. Exactly. The times where, like, people just said a loss, like, hey, I'm in this stock, I'm willing to lose $50, I'm willing to lose $100. I don't care what the number is. From a technical point of view, I'm just gonna set my stop loss there, right? You can use your broker to do that, right? Stop loss for $100, stop loss for $50, stop loss for $500, whatever you're willing to set, right? Or you can just go below support, right? But like Troy said, whichever one is smaller, right? So if you're setting stop losses for 20%, then yeah, you could go to the bridge very quickly. Very, very quickly, you could go to the bridge. Is it a Russian name? It sounds like a Russian name, isn't it? Yeah, Oksana sounds like a Russian name. Are you from Russia, Oleg? Oksana is from Russia. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new. And if you're not a member yet, or you need to upgrade, click the link at the bottom of the chat. Click the link at the bottom of the chat. Oleg, invest in yourself. Invest in yourself by becoming a GOATS member and learning how to read charts. Stop guessing and losing more than gold membership monies. You're losing 10% all the time. You lost look at that. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this. This is what I mean. Oleg lost $1,000 on WeBuy. After I clearly said WeBuy is crashing like a tomato rock, WeBuy going to the abyss, WeBuy, we L. Someone said we L in the chat. L buy. I think maybe that was Troy or West said that. Right? People are losing more than the price of we sell. People are losing more than the price of membership all the time. And yet, like look at this. Look at this. Oleg, you think if you had a session with me, I would let you buy this rubbish as it was crashing like this? You think so? You think we would buy this? Oleg? You think we would buy this? Look at this stock, Oleg. No signs of consolidation. No signs of consolidation. You lost $1,000, Oleg. $1,000. And yet you're still on a free membership, Oleg. Leave my man Oleg alone. We crash. So Oleg, invest in yourself, Oleg. Stop slacking. Invest in yourself, become a real member, and come join us in Discords. Because if you lost $1,000, I bet you, and that's 10%, you had a lot of monies in this stock. So use that monies to play with some non-rubbish stocks, and unfortunately, Oleg, it was requested. Sorry. Unfortunately, it was.
Heart's been broke too many times. I don't know what to believe.
Oh my goodness! Wow. No, that's annoying, Oleg. Yeah, you a $10,000 bet. Yeah, that's annoying. Hopefully you make the money back somewhere else. But yeah, hopefully. Alrighty. Uh, pronounce you pronounced name incorrectly. It's Oleg. See, I don't even know Oksana. I don't know if like I don't know how I would pronounce it because it's you're typing it in the chat. I need to hear it. You know, Oleg, Oleg. Hmm. You might need to spell it differently or something so I can get it. Yeah. Uh, lose money, Dan? Oh yeah, for sure, for sure. Especially people that are here all the time. Like Oleg is here every single day. Every single day you're here, Oleg. Every single day, right? So come join us in Discord and try not to lose $1,000, right? After watching the Jack video, I'm just saying, don't encourage this behavior, Dan. You felt his pain. Anything correct, just give up. No, Oksana, how do you might spell it differently so I can I still managed to lose money. Not $1,000, Wes. Not $1,000. Always use a stop loss. Always, always, always. I promise you, Oleg, if you set a stop loss, your stop loss would not have been for $1,000. Unless you're okay losing that, right? If you're gonna buy something that's crashing, you might as well wait for it to start consolidating. Let it go flat. No need to try and catch it and think it's the bottom, right? Can lose money. They will exactly, exactly. And I bet you that thing kept hitting new all-time lows, new all-time lows, new all-time lows, new all-time lows, new all-time lows. You could have easily cut that thing at some point, right? At some point, you could have said, you know what, $100, I'm gonna sell it because it's new all-time lows. You know what, $500. right? But if you just keep watching it hit lows and lows and lows and lows and lows, stocks hitting new lows will keep hitting new lows, um, more often than not, right? My cheeks. Yeah. So, la, la, la. Much. Oleg is not going to become a member, and then Oleg is going to say tomorrow, but guys, but why? And then I'm going to say, congratulations. Oh, la, 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 la. Interesting. Because it's better than 100%, Dan? Yeah, exactly. Yep. Yep. It's a good trading lesson, but all that what have you learned though from that trade? What did you learn? They can't possibly go lower. Let me take a look. FRCB. What's that's CB? Oh yeah, it's in the OTC now, isn't it? Wow. Oh my goodness, Peter. Hey, at least it's at the bottom. It's been holding this bottom for 2 weeks, Peter. This isn't the same stock, is it? This is not the same stock. It's not the same. What's the new ticker symbol, Peter? Yeah, FRC. So they changed the name to FRCB? No, it's FRC. FRC. Yeah. I mean, yeah. $3. No, it's FRC. The other one was a California branch or something. Yeah. FRC. $3.50. What a trash stock. Stupid bank. Weak. Weak sauce. It's supposed to be might be a 1 to 2% of your account. See, Oleg, like Oleg says, what I learned is do not bet $10,000. That's not a lesson, Oleg. That's not a lesson. You're that's the lesson is not that you put too much monies in there. Well, maybe that's part of it, but that's not the biggest mistake you made, though. That's not the biggest mistake you made there. $32 and haunted. More like $3.20 and haunted. Anyways, that thing went to new all-time lows today. $2.99. It's coming. Oh my goodness. Yeah, when interest rates go back to zero. Rubbish. That's the pain talking. Sometimes I'm like, you know what? The market is slow. Why the hell do we want to go on stream? And then we come on here and then it's pure chaos. Unbelievable. I'm like, there's nothing moving. We might as well stay in Discord. Nope, we show up and then you criminals show up. And then it's a riot. Uh, till I saw my Will you buy strength to curl? Yeah, that's what happens when Oleg sells, and then it goes back up. We buy. Yeah, it's been trying, so maybe it's finally gonna bounce. Maybe. How about trading on the second stream? I know. I feel like the second stream is just for joking around sometimes. If nothing's moving, which nothing is moving, so there's nothing moving. Nothing new that we haven't talked about already. So at this point, we're just waiting for the market to close, and then we can see if stuff shows up after hours. I don't trust no curls on stocks. Wes, I agree. That's like the whole company, Peter. Seriously. Yep. But then your options are worthless and you just wait. At that point, they're at point zero one. Musty. Nobody on the ask. Nobody on the bids. Unbelievable. It's point zero one. Massive block at point zero one on the ask. Bid zero. That's the worst pain you could feel for options, when they go to point zero one or like point zero five, same thing. And then you have a massive block at point zero five, nothing on the bid. From all the miss, please let me know when you get a chance. Nothing else. It's one of your wife's pizza. Please let me know when you have a chance. Anyways, yeah, we need some after hour news. Some after hour news. Let's check the other recent IPOs. While we're at it. No, you just have to set the alerts on these IPOs and forget about them. Set alert for that high and leave it alone. We never have to go back and look. Around the yeah. So short or what, Wes? Shorts, shorts, shorts. Okay, so 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Choo, 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 choo. 3 minutes. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. Golden Heaven GDHG 148. And I couldn't sell it, and it mockingly until it falls off. Yep, yep. Painful. Yeah, looks like this one is done. CADL. Good thing you sold that thing, Oksana, on 125, because you don't sell it straight to the abyss. $1. It's about to hit 99 cents. About to hit 99 cents. No power. Yeah, Wes, I think it's the holidays. December is always like this. Always. Just slow, right? Into the close. It only gets worse as we get closer to Christmas, right? People want to play the pre-market and the early hours because the market open obviously, and it has momentum, and there's a catalyst on this and that, right? But then as the day goes on, they just want to go, right? Go shopping. They need to get chocolate. They need to get, so stuff. They need to get stuff. So yeah. La 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 la. Stuff. Holiday periods. They want to know when you're selling. Yep. And ding ding ding, market closed. So now we wait for the after hour chaos. Hopefully something shows up. Barcoding. Barcoding. No, 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 no. Hmm. Okay, let me pull up the news stuff. No news yet. So no news. Oh, virus. That's why virus is in the woods. That's why virus in the woods. Virus very smart. I like it. I like it. Brilliant. Brilliant. So yeah, nothing yet. There's a stock that's halted after hours. Other than that, though, nothing. So let's see if something shows up here. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. Joe doesn't want the market to go down. View closed at 241. Okay. I'll send you when it's done. Oh, that's very cool. Very cool virus. Virus's mind works, like virus is when virus is sleeping, he's dreaming of things to do, of ideas, ideas. Hey yo, Rob.
What up?
Hey yo, how are you?
Good. Finally finished.
You finished?
Yeah, for the day, like like just everything. I wanted to just take a break. Really.
Yeah. You've had a really busy like few weeks.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah.
So there was a nice trading day in the Discord.
Yeah.
Nice technical trading. You know what I mean? It was really cool.
Yeah. And then now Dan is Dan left virus, He left
Then,
virus in the
but
in the options room.
he left him alone.
And then Dan goes, I'll visit you once in a while. Oh my goodness. VRME? VS. Okay, that's why. Thank you. VS Media. Okay, fire. Thank you. 80%. 28%. 80 cents. Do you see any news, Mohammed? Don't see any news. Let's see if we get that second wave or something. Are so you're planning on doing a meeting today or when?
Um.
Well,
Well,
maybe I
now.
wasn't. Maybe I wasn't
Well,
supposed to say. Maybe this was still in the planning phase. I wasn't
yeah.
supposed to say.
No, I
Okay,
was
ignore
thinking
the
about
meeting.
what was that?
No, I said okay. Let's ignore.
I was thinking about maybe asking them. Yeah, but yeah, I gotta
Oh,
see.
okay, okay, okay. Yeah, sounds good. Uh, yeah, the bid and the ask look a lot better than most of these stocks, Mohammed. What do you think? What do you think happens tomorrow, Rob, with Powell?
I don't know. It kind of caught me a bit by surprise. I thought CPI was going to be a little better.
Yeah,
And I just hate that it's gonna be all on the Fed's hands again. You know what I mean? Like on there.
yeah.
I mean, I think those numbers are kind of cooked anyway. But if you ask me,
Yep,
but
yep,
um, it's gonna be up to them again. You know what I mean? Like the market is bullish. It's like you can see that it's
yep,
bullish. And PPI comes in tomorrow, and then FOMC. I mean, he's gonna just talk. He's just gonna say the same thing. Where we still got to be careful. I mean, I think if he says that, more of the same, the market's just
Yeah.
gonna say, yeah, whatever, bro, and keep going and just keep going higher. You know what
Yeah.
I mean? But yeah, it's been kind of mixed feelings.
Yeah. I don't know,
So
honestly. Yeah.
yeah, I'm just waiting. I would like for that one big strong pop. And I think it's gonna. I honestly, I think Bitcoin also kind of like reacted to that today.
Yeah.
I think maybe they were expecting there was money in there, expecting it for something to happen, and then they just got out. But
Yeah.
we'll see tomorrow.
Yeah.
It's holding up too, right? And well, it kind of dropped to 40, right?
Yeah. 41 is, yeah, 40, 41. Yeah. Ooh, this one just had news. RSLS flying 50%. Receives FDA PMA supplement approval of its next generation lab band 2.0 Flex, whatever that means. Friday, so 4.6 versus 1.9. Really? Oh, wow. Are you taking a gamble, Dan? I feel like you are.
We can check the put call ratio, right?
Yeah.
In in
I think
TradingView.
it. Yeah, I think it glitched for a second, so I think it's a. Yeah,
Buy puts.
yeah, yeah.
Two things: either there'll be a short, they'll squeeze those shorts up, or
And you get the biggest green candle. Oh, it's gonna face plants. PCC. Oh yeah, yeah.
yeah, the put call ratio. Yeah,
Yeah. RSLS. Nah, that's cool. Nah.
if I
Yeah,
tell
no,
you,
no, go ahead.
I'll have to kill you, Peter.
Yeah, no, it's I saw the news, Mohammed. Yeah, yeah, news. I'm just waiting to see what happens at 40 cents, 39, 40 cents, Mo. There's not a whole lot happening there, even though it's had a 50% pop. Just sitting there. It's trying though, isn't it? But yeah, no, resistance at that level. Huh, interesting. Have you used this at all,
It's not
Rob?
get paid. The put call ratio. You got to turn off the indicator.
Yeah. Turn off.
But that's
Interesting.
which one I use. Is that the one I use? Oh, that's like the home market. Yeah,
Yeah.
they have some specific for SPY. They have specific for Tesla for a lot of like these bigger names.
Hmm.
That's Puka ratio equities, and yeah, they have one specifically for SPY. Let me see which is the one.
Okay.
If you want to pick that one,
Let's see. You would almost hope this thing was like all the way up there, you know? It's really not anywhere. Hmm.
and
Yeah, 40 cents. If only Peter would buy puts, you know?
yeah, I think it's the PC, and then
PC?
it's like over one. The PC.
Okay. It's very
Oh,
similar though.
that's daily, right?
Yeah, this is
Yeah,
the daily. Yeah.
yeah, it's not gonna change. Yeah, it's gonna.
Yeah.
Mm? It allowed you to go to the minute.
Yeah. Yep.
Mm.
Yeah. Na 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 na. Interesting. What the heck? Is that actual approval or something else? See what I mean, Wes? See what I mean by like I don't care about like stuff like that? That's what I mean by like I don't care about the news. There's another one that has news, you know, because you're gonna have a hard time figuring out like before you make a decision, like understanding what that actually means is a whole different story. Anyways, there goes RSLS though. It's trying to break out again. So see if it breaks above 40 cents. Funny, funny. Um, okay. See what I mean by like, these initial pops, right? If I look at VSME, right? Look at that initial pop. News, pop. What happens? Red, right? So if you're unsure of, like, if you don't know what to do when you're playing with pre-market and after hours, don't touch it or go watch the video first, right? So, again, reaction to the news, boom skis. What happens? Immediate crash. Don't go diamond hunting, please. Don't go diamond hunting, please and thank you. Eh, eh. You see? I told you. Eh. Well, I kind of care because all people see is initial two words approval. I mean, if you do, and then yeah, you can do the research. I'm sure there's a legend somewhere that you can look and see what an MPA is, a PMA or something. See what it actually means. But I personally don't care because I know most of retail doesn't care. I bet you the people that FOMOed into this stock, RSLS, I bet you these people don't care. They didn't even have the time to look at what it means. They FOMOed though, right? So yeah, I unless
Look
the
at
news is
look
PC.
at the Oh, go ahead, Blaze. Sorry.
Oh no no no. Oh, you mean like look at PC?
No, no, I was gonna say look at the in this stock the oh my lord, the buys, buyers versus sellers, like 11
Yeah,
selling there.
exactly,
A lot more selling going
exactly,
on there.
exactly. Resistance, supply zone. So many warnings. Isn't it crazy, Rob? And we've talked about this too. Like, isn't it crazy how yes, there's news, but the news also respects the technicals?
Well,
It's like,
actually, that's exactly what I wanted to talk about today in with with the futures team, because when you look at the or even the SPY should look the same.
yeah,
It went all the way up, it created like a pivot at and then it just crashed, and
hmm,
price drove all the way right back to that liquidity zone again.
yeah,
So the news made it react, but it's still respecting technicals.
yeah,
It still is. It's just driving up to a certain liquidity area, and then it's just gonna most likely price is gonna go right back there. If you look at what the SPY did today, it did the same for
yeah,
the ES.
exactly,
If you get the ES, you're gonna see it.
yeah. So and that's why we like the technicals because with the news, without news, if even if the news is the best thing ever and you see that there's resistance, there's supply right there, maybe you should not be buying that stock at that price anyways, regardless of the news and how amazing it is. So
Yeah, be happy you got that that pump if you got it.
yeah. If you bought in the demand zone, this thing was sitting in a demand zone all day,
That
and
you were
then magic
expecting.
news showed up from support to resistance. It's like, but why? Anyway, so yeah, it's gonna need to go. Like it's gone down. It's gonna need to break above like 139, 140 for the next push for RSLS. I bet you one of these names will. Question is which one though. Richard is trying to go up. Pizza, what am I doing? Draw a line on the graph. Another one. Now move it. Oh, you mean Dr. Dave? Oh,
I'll never
yes.
forget that.
I know. What a
That was
night.
that was the day that I said you have to be a saint.
What a
Try
night.
now. What do you see there? What do you see there? And Blaze was like, well, um, he said, all right, draw this line. Now go here and draw a diagonal line from the bottom of that wick. What here? Yeah, to the left. There? Yeah. He had us for like an hour.
You
And
know?
then, what do you see? What do you see, Blaze? What do you see?
I'm like, I don't see anything. We definitely gave him too much respect. Yeah.
That was funny.
Anyways, it's one of those cases where like perception, precedes like we just saw him as as a surgeon, and we're like, wow, okay, you know what? Let's give this guy a little bit of time to see where he's going with this, right? And he took us to the abyss, and then we banned him.
Dude, but you were there like 20 minutes, like listening
I
to him.
know. I was drawing lines. I've never done that much technical analysis on one
Never.
thing. Oh my goodness. Peter, it was you and the nun. Innocent. Innocent. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, I'm not really sure, honestly.
It could break out. It's holding up. It's there.
Yeah,
It's fighting.
yeah. It's trying. It's trying. It wants, yeah. It's trying. Uh, love, love bowlers.
And we looked up as we
Oh my goodness. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Don't worry, virus. In 20 years, we will come back and watch all of these old streams, and and so we're gonna go on vacation, for like a month, and then we just get to watch these not anything like new, but like the old streams virus, like the crypto streams, and see the chaos. You're gonna see men talking about pigs, men asking, people showing up on stream to hide from their wives. Um,
I got busted.
she busted me, Holmes. Wow.
What is Fat Joe doing on Bloomberg?
Oh,
Business
he was-
ventures, entrepreneurship. Okay.
why? You don't believe in him? Oh my goodness.
He actually is near my a neighborhood where I used to live.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
All the way up. Nothing can stop him.
And that's not a good thing actually, where I just damn leave my wife out of this. Yep,
Who's
Blaze has Blaze has some charts that are like they look like Picasso. Like all
who's
the
Bob Ross?
dude, you don't know.
What?
He's a
Who's?
pretty. He paints pretty little trees. Pretty little trees.
Oh,
Pretty
okay.
little. He paints. He's a good painter, but he speaks like very like very smooth.
Okay.
And he's always like, yes, we're gonna paint these pretty little trees.
Oh, okay. Cool. Cool. Doesn't know who. Hey, do you know? Do you know who? Do you know who? Do you know who? Mohammed or any of you guys? Do you know who? Trying to think of a name, Rob, from the village, just to make a point. You don't know who anybody from my village is? Rubbish. Do you know who the chief of my village is?
Uh, Dan, I don't know what to say, honestly.
Rubbish.
You
Exactly, Peter. Yes. No, I'm just kidding. Uh oh, candles. Yeah. Can that thing give us a breakout and then we can run away? Yes. Wow, how come everybody knows who Bob Ross is? You can leave. You know what? I'm going on vacation. Rob, Rob is taking over.
Yeah.
This thing looks like it wants to break, doesn't it? It's trying.
I'm looking at the delta. The delta at the top, the it's
Yeah,
maintaining it. The minute seller stop.
yeah.
Not enough maybe volume.
Yeah. Remember that OnlyFans member? Uh, you mean the girl from Twitter? Hmm, I think. Oh, to the. Yes, you think? Oh yeah, I remember that. Yeah, 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 yeah. Only nuns. Yeah, yeah. Do you not remember that, Rob? You remember the person from OnlyFans?
No.
Okay, well, Varys knows because Varys probably follows her on OnlyFans.
She loved them. Yeah, man.
Unbelievable.
I came to the stream.
To be productive. Rob came on to be productive, guys. And here he is. His wife is listening from the other room. It's Varys's fault. And Dan and Peter. What did you not do, Peter? Unbelievable. Mm-mm.
Wow. 4,700 for the number. So where did SPY ended? Let me see.
Mm,
SPY ended at 46, 464.
okay,
Wow.
not bad. Yeah.
Hope these people don't kill it tomorrow.
What's the occasion, Renew? Both of you are so happy. Did Secret Santa visit you guys? No. It's nice when Rob comes on, you know. It's nice to, yeah, it's nice. So we both get excited. Like we're gonna talk. Well, most of the time we talk about fun stuff, like stuff that we're both excited about. But and then sometimes we talk about rubbish. No, I don't. At the bottom. No. Cookies and smoothies. Speaking of cookies and smoothies, I should go get a smoothie. Actually,
A
it's a good.
smoothie. What do you
Yeah.
drink? What smoothie?
Booster juice. Do you guys have booster juice?
No, but what does it have? The smoothie that you like, what does it have? What fruit?
So it's called a watermelon explosion, and it comes with watermelon, banana, yogurt, apple, and then there's something else in there. So yeah, it tastes
Mm,
it's yeah, it's good. So a nice proportion of watermelon, and then
I'm drinking my energy drink.
okay, yeah, yes. Is it C4?
No, this is Zoa.
Okay.
The one that from The Rock. But
Oh,
it doesn't work because I don't look like him yet. Yeah, I got bad jokes, guys. I'm sorry. I try.
wow. Peter, yeah, I think so too. There goes that. There goes RSLS. There goes. There goes. There goes Boomski's Rob.
There's bottom coming in. Boom, boom, boom.
Yeah, if you can close above it.
There it is.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. The annoying thing with like after hours is just the stupid spread sometimes. Anything with explosion. Yep. What's a melon explosion? Still struggling, it looks like. Still struggling. Okay. He was only 51. He died at 51, Bob Ross? Hmm. There goes.
Mm,
39 cents. Weak breakouts. A cookie smoothie? That doesn't sound good. Might be a decent swing. Yeah, if we can find a way to actually hold that level.
I don't trust it.
Yeah, it's pretty weak breakout. Pretty weak for now. Gets above 40, stay above 40 West. Yeah, exactly, Sing. Exactly. Exactly. Uh, interesting. Alrighty, guys. Unless Rob, anything else? No.
No, I'm good.
Okay. Sounds good. Let us know if you have any last questions, guys, and then we're done. Skis. Uh, alert trigger limit cell. Huh. Interesting, Troy. Don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already, and all the other fun stuff. You don't know if you should, Musty? I mean, you have time though, right? You have time. What is it doing? If it's not pushing, honestly, it's holding up really well, but it's just not going anywhere, which makes it so confusing. Like the daily doesn't look too bad, Rob, but it's I don't know, Musty.
It's a long way to go.
Yeah, yeah.
But what is there news on that or something?
Nope, nothing,
Mm,
nothing. Yeah. Uh, did you, Gary? Oh, cool. Okay. See you in Discord more. See you in Discord. Yes, how to make $5,000 tomorrow? Renew. Um, Start with 10. You have to rob, and then keep five. Start with 10. Buy the Argo for lifetime Argo, $5,000, and then keep five. And then from there on out, you'll be a monster.
you too, Dan. Take care.
By then. Uh, yeah, break even. Does it look ALT? Uh, I mean, it's kind of green after hours, Wes. Right? It had a massive dip today, all the way to the 200, and then bounced. Right? It would have been a nice pickup at 470 ish because of the 200 right there. A nice gamble, right? So it had a nice. It looks like it had a nice recovery day, so that's good, and it's green after hours. So yeah, maybe just watch to see if it stays above the closing price, and then maybe decide tomorrow. Yeah, yeah, it really did. Like it bounced really nicely. Wow, it's a really solid bounce, right? So you need to make a to become a goat, Reno. Yes, become a goat. Yeah, you should become a goat, and then you can make the monies. Invest the monies to make the monies, Renu.
Yeah,
Yes,
we had a
invest the
good call the other day with Lynn.
yeah, exactly. It's like Lynn wasn't like, oh, let me make this monies first, and then I'll become a goat. Lynn said, let me become a goat, and then I will make the monies, and she made the monies. You know, if you become a legend member and your membership paid for itself because you became a legend, not because you made the monies first, or maybe sometimes you did, right? If you got the algo, the algo paid for itself because you got the algo as a tool and it helped you make monies, right? So you have to, it's not when you go to your job site, they're not like, hey, we're gonna pay you your first year's salary first, and then and then you know what, and then you could go to school and go get all the certifications you need or whatnot. They're like, no, how about you go get them and then you come back in 4 years and then we will maybe give you some monies. I'm kidding, Reno. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Uh, without, that's like you want to be the best basketball player without playing a single game of basketball. See, right? Like I want to be able to shoot threes and dunk like Michael Jordan, you know, without ever playing. Mm. You're a legend already? Yes, yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes. So yes, become a legend. Become a legend, and already, guys. Have a wonderful evening, all. Be safe. we will see you guys in Discord and tomorrow and whenever. I don't know if we want to do a call for CC. I know, but yeah, I don't think this is a massive runner, but um, yeah. I mean, if you guys want to, we could do the legend stuff, but quickly, like 5 minutes. But uh, Troy, yeah. Alrighty, virus. Bye, bye, virus. Bye, Musty. Bye, M. Alrighty, y'all. Be safe. Much love. Send you some hearts.
Take care, everyone.
Bye, guys.